If you are someone who gets a lot of knee pain when doing the leg press, this video is going to talk about why that is and what you can do about it. And by watching the video all the way through, you'll be able to leg press without any pain ever again. Let's first talk about why that might be. The way we're going to do this is by first demonstrating a squat. When we go down for a squat, we ideally want equal pressure in our feet. Sometimes when we go down for a squat, we put way too much pressure in our toes. And when this happens, it puts a lot of extra stress on the knees. If you're not used to that demanding position, it can cause a lot of pain in your knees. So one of the things we need to make sure we do is have equal pressure when we're going up and down in our squat. A way to make this a little easier is to think about sitting back into our heels a tiny bit when we go down. In addition to this, we need to point our toes out slightly. Make sure when we're going down that our knees are tracking over our toes. This allows you to have equal pressure through your knees so there's not an excessive valgus force. That can also cause knee pain. We can apply this exact same logic to the leg press. So I first want you to start with your feet in a normal leg press position. Then as we discussed earlier, we might need to move our feet up a little bit to put less stress on our knees when we push. Then as you push, make sure that your knees are tracking out over your toes the entire way, avoiding them caving in throughout. In addition to this, make sure not to hyperextend your knees at the end and keep a tiny bit of bend in your knees when you go all the way to the top. Play with this position, and then over time, hopefully you can build enough strength to move your feet back down a little bit so you're putting a little bit more stress through your knees. Like this video if it helped, subscribe to the channel for more videos helping individuals of all abilities inside the gym and become healthier in life, and feel free to check out this other video I picked out just for you.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing